the first physical thing of setup would be to remove all the stuff first and then put in the good things and the new things. So if you can see there, we've got the new LG monitor. Let's unbox it. First, let's take this all stuff and you guys could see it in our time lapse. The last physical part of my setup is my phone. Okay, let's go to the unboxing. Let's start with the unboxing. And yes, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna be okay, my voice is gonna be okay. Just because I have some cold, my voice is like this. I'll get well soon, you guys will see me back. Until then, this is my voice. Can't change it. Let's unbox the monitor now. This is the front side. Let's just cut this off and take the monitor out. Guys, we'll actually open this box and let's take the monitor outside. First comes the screen removed. Here we have the monitor outside. So just the monitor, nothing else. So don't take this to set up, to set up the things. So here's the monitor, let me keep it aside and take other stuff. Here's the clamp which we got to set up for the monitor. So guys, let's just take off the monitor first. So here's the simple remove of the monitor. So yeah, here you see this is the monitor. It has really, like, on the sides it doesn't even have bezels. On the bottom it has a small chin. That's it. So let's set it up. Thing first starts. You take this clamp which they've given with the thing and just put it on top of this thing. And then there are two holes. You have to fill it in with the, the screws which they've given. Make sure it's tight, and then only your monitor will be stable on the table. Otherwise, it's going to be falling down. So I don't have the screwdriver here at my home because it's all in the studio and the office. So just got to do it with my hand and believe it's not going to go anywhere and stay in place. So let us do it. As you can just take a scissor, put into it and screw it up. Nothing's wrong. Okay. Now take the screw cover which they've given and cover it. Just like this. Perfect. It's on place. So guys, now I finished setting up this computer. Let's just take it off the screen and put it on the table.